this recipe, I'm using palm oil. I'm using 6 of the fresh corn, maggi and dry chili, red pepper and 2 red onions, salt, crayfish, and I am going to be using corn starch to thicken my mixture. You can use cornmeal flour, but I'm using cornmeal starch. The reason why I'm using this is that here there is no dry corn. Back home, if we're making this meal, we make it with dry corn, the big corn, the dry ones. That's what we make it with. We make it with dry corn, yeah. But here, because there's no dry corn, the fresh corn, they are not that thick, okay. But yeah, I'm going to be using this to thicken the mixture. So now guys, I am going to start cutting my corn. So guys, I am done with my corn. I am going to now cut my vegetables. So guys, we are done getting our things ready. We are going to start blending it. So I'm going to use hand blender. You can use any blender you want to use. I just want to be in control of how much water I'm going to add. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. Then we'll start blending. So now I'm going to start adding my ingredients. I'll add my dry chili. I'll add 3 maggi. I'll add salt. And I have melted my corn starch. I'm going to add it in there. Then I'll add my red oil. I'm going to add a bit more red oil. going to put some oil in my container so that it will not stick when I finish cooking the food. So now I'm going to start scooping it inside the container. So I'm going to add water at the bottom of my pot, and I'm going to put baking paper. You can put foil. Back home we normally put banana leaf. I'm going to add more water. So guys, it is time to start putting our corn moi moi inside the pot, and I also use some other white container that I have in the house because those ones wasn't enough. I'm gonna place them at the bottom of the pot. So we're going to put the stove on. I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to start cooking our corn moi moi. I'm going to cook this for 40 to 45 minutes, but time to time I will be opening the pot and I will be adding water in it because you need to keep your eyes on it. If you let the water dry out, the moi moi is gonna burn. So yeah, so I will be checking it time to time and adding water in it. So we're going to be cooking it about 40 to 45 minutes, okay? So guys, after 40 minutes I'm going to check if our corn moi moi is ready. How you do it is that you use either something that has a pointy end and you dip it inside and then you take it out. When you take it out, if it's sticky, if any of the corn moi moi is sticking around it, that means it's not done. But as you can see, it's not sticky at all. Nothing is sticking to the end of the spoon, so this means that it is ready. I'll give it another 5 minutes to make sure that it's, you know, completely ready. But at this point I'll be happy to take it out, but I'll give it another 5 minutes, okay? So guys, I have taken some of them out of the pot and yeah, they are all done, okay? I'm happy with the way they are. So I've taken them out of the pot and this is where today's recipe is going to end. It is a quick and simple recipe. I am happy with the way they look. So basically when you put them in the pot, the only thing that you need to be doing is to be topping up the water. Keep checking your pot and keep topping up the water. So that is all you need to do. Apart from it, yes, it is a simple recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.